Over time, air tools may lose power, operate less smoothly, or leave uneven paint with water spots and bubbles. Even during precision work, inconsistent pressure affects the final result. These problems are actually caused by moisture, oil, and debris in the compressed air and by inaccurate pressure control. The all-new air filter water separator with pressure gauge combines filtration with precise air pressure regulation, keeping your pneumatic tools performing at their best. Transparent PC cup design lets you instantly check water level and filter condition. Precision filter element traps moisture, oil, and debris, ensuring clean airflow and steady output. High-accuracy pressure gauge allows you to monitor air pressure at all times and fine-tune it to the ideal working range. Maintain stable air pressure output to ensure quality and efficiency. Operates steadily within an ideal pressure range of 90 to 150 psi, with a maximum pressure capacity of 200 psi, whether for daily tasks or high-pressure applications. It maintains stable and efficient performance. Aluminum alloy body ensures long-lasting durability. Push-button drain valve for quick drainage and effortless maintenance. Fits all pneumatic tools, perfect for auto workshops, painting jobs, or industrial manufacturing. It boosts efficiency and results.